used to make this all the time. I don't know why I stopped. Probably because I'm on a diet. I don't know, is that a thing? Hey guys, it's Annie here, and today I'm going to be making another video. It's on my brownies. These ones are very fudgy. I don't put a lot of flour in it, and I use real chocolate chips and cocoa powder, so it's so delicious, and I'm sure you guys are going to love it. So if you're interested in watching how to make fudgy brownies, keep watching. Oh, and if you guys are not yet subscribed, please do so by clicking on that red button below, and also follow me on my other social media, Annie Wu, and well, get making the brownies. So I've got my 2 butter sticks, and then I'll measure out 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Ooh. That's good enough. So it kind of fits. So I'm going to pop this in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time until everything is melted. Ooh. So you can see that the chocolate chips is melted. And we're just going to pour this into my large bowl so I can actually stir it around. So we're just going to whisk it until the chocolate and the butter is well combined. This is good. So now we're gonna add in our 2 cups of sugar, which I have right here. Oh, God. That's good. That's like exactly 2 cups. I can't believe I used to use 3 cups of sugar. That is insane. I am going to add my 6 eggs. 1. Good brownies always take a lot of eggs. That's what someone told me. So that's the last. This is what 6 eggs does to this batter. Looks so good. Oh my God. So now I am going to add in my vanilla extract. This is the one that I use, and I always just eyeball it because you can never have enough vanilla extract. Okay, so for the flour, I will need 1 cup and 1/4 cup. And this doesn't even fit. So let me see. So that's 1 cup. And I'll eyeball 1/4. That's 1/4 cup, kind of. So I've got baking powder, espresso powder, and my cocoa powder. I also eyeball this, but it should be like 2 teaspoons. Since there are so many eggs in this batter, it's pretty much a leavening agent anyway. And I just bought this espresso powder. You need 2 tablespoons of espresso powder. I'm going to say that this is a tablespoon, so I need 2 of that. That's probably less than a tablespoon, so add 1 more. I will need 1/4 cup. That smells so good. I'll take 1/4 cup of my cocoa powder, like this. Now add it in. Now the last thing is salt. Just a pinch, if you can see it. So now that is all of our ingredients. So you're going to sift this. Cocoa powders tend to have a lot of lumps, so that's why I always sieve mine. And I strongly suggest you do as well. You know, sometimes I say, but you don't have to, but you should for this. See, there are lumps of my flour. So this is just what you want to do. Keep stirring until it all comes together. All right, so now that is your brownie batter. Looks so good. I might as well just, I only have that much chocolate chips left, so I am going to dump this all in and stir it into my batter. because why not? You're gonna take your butter stick, peel it back, and this is how you butter a pan. So you just go around like that and, you know, take more butter as you need. Rip it around to all the sides. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your flour and sprinkle some on the inside. And you're just going to coat it, like shake it around. And you see that it's actually sticking to the butter. We're just going to pour this entire thing into this bowl. Into the corners. Alright. This goes in the oven for 30 minutes until a toothpick inserted comes out clean, but you know, you want the center to be fudgy anyway, so 30 minutes it is, and then we'll check on it. Okay, so we are done with my brownies, and I think they look perfect. They puffed up a little bit, as you can see, and I also popped it onto a plate just because this is kind of flimsy. It will actually sink down as it cools, so it's going to crack even more on top. This is the next day, and I don't know if I told you guys last night that this actually baked for 45 minutes. Look at how fudgy it is. And the top is so crusty, so I hope you guys try this recipe at home. It's absolutely the best. And I will see you guys in the next video.